to this YouTube channel, Tech. If you are new to VPNs or you have just heard about them and you don't know how to set up VPN applications, this tutorial is just right for you. So in this video, I'm going to set up a VPN application called AustroPlus VPN. So don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to like the video. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let me start up the tutorial. Step 1, open your Google Play Store and then you're going to download this VPN application. I'm going to set it up in all countries and on all networks. Austro VPN or AustroPlus VPN. So download that application, and then after downloading it, you're going to install. After installing it, you're going to open. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, informational, demonstrational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and then the community guidelines. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then after you're going to join their Telegram channel by checking the yes. And after joining the Telegram channel, this is how we're going to set up this application step by step. We're going to first come right there and where I'm pointing, and then by clicking those, we're going to be updating our servers. The process of updating the servers requires a running data bundle, so make sure that you have at least 2 MBs on your SIM card. Give it some few seconds to update the servers. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And any problem for us, we leave our comment section open so you can express your ideas. So join the Telegram channel. Right now it has finished updating the servers. Now let us go to the next step. Come where you see the point or where you see auto select server, and then you're going to choose from those 6 servers. Choose any of those servers provided that is near to your country's location, but I recommend my viewers to always keep in the auto select server. Now after, you're going to set it in all countries. You're going to come, sorry for going so fast, you're going to come right there where we have the tricks, and then I'm going to choose. Right now I'm seeing so many servers. Now you're going to type in your country's name. For example, you can type in Kenya, or you can just look for it manually, like scrolling down. Or you're going to go, if you're not seeing your country's name, or you want to connect to a UDP protocol that works in all countries for a fast, a secure and a stable internet access, you're going to just type in UDP, and then they are going to be providing you with a list of 3 UDP servers. Now you're going to be choosing any of those, but I recommend you to use the third one, all country UDP protocol, third one. But you're going to first put on airplane mode and then off, and then after you're going to come where you see that word connect. By checking connect, you're going to come and then accept the VPN service, then give it some few seconds until it's connected. These are the troubleshooting steps. So if it fails to connect, don't worry. The problem isn't about your phone. You're going to do this. You can clear the app data. You can restart your application. You can disconnect and reconnect again, and then you can also clear all cached data available in your application. So you can also add more time by checking this option. That is it. I'm Tech. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I sign out.